Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at art parts and a basic overview of the art parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the actual video here. So now when it comes to art parts in FabriCAM, we're going to be looking at some configuration, and then under our import we have this nice little art parts for importing. Now this is going to be relevant when we're importing higher quality vectors. So let me quickly demonstrate what that is. So if I head here to Inkscape, we've got these vectors here. Now most of our primitive shapes is a basic vector. This is what we'll be using to create most of our cutouts. So maybe if you have a certain product, you've got all your different cutouts. It might be a little bit more complex than this, but most of the time nothing too crazy. Where on the right here we've got an art piece, or a vector that's more like an art piece. So in other words, it is way higher quality, which in return takes a bigger load on the system. Now if I go into editing these vectors, so over here the first one with our rectangle or the square, we can see here we've got 4 points of editing. So you can use these points, drag them around and so forth. So the more points you have, obviously the more details in the actual design. So if we click on this one, we can see we've got even more. We've got 10 over here. And then if we click on the art piece, you'll see it's got quite a bit more. Now I picked a more simple artwork. You can get ones with way more editing points. So then it'll take a very big load on the system. Sometimes you can even crash systems when you try import them for cutting. So then what happens is in actual FabriCAM, under our configurations, if we enable this art parts, it will try and interpret it in a way so that it doesn't use as much detail. We have a few other settings we can play with as well to kind of lower the quality without losing the overall quality too much. So if you're going to be working with art parts within FabriCAM, I would definitely say you're going to have to check this one on. But you don't have to worry, we're going to be running through a few videos just to see the basic process and what some of these settings do. But yeah, before that, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.